I'm Dhiman from Shantiniketan. I really acknowledge the presence of Kudiyattam in my life as in a way of life that has helped me to evolve as an actor. And I have always recommended my students and contemporary theatre practitioners the significance of Kudiyattam in our actors training. I must also acknowledge, or I must say, my indebtedness to my theatre guru Monish Mitra, who introduced me to the importance of Kudiyattam in actors training as far as our Indian bodies are concerned. And then I was blessed to be taught by Rajneesh ji several times, physically and online. In this context, particularly, I am focusing on the significance of Netrabhinaya in my class, where I teach literature and the other arts, because I believe that Kudiyattam, the significance of Kudiyattam in preservation of our ancient literary works, our dramatic works, has been significant and has also been documented. So I believe that Netrabhinaya in a way allows us to express bhava. For example, if I say a flower or if I say a bow and arrow, it is not limited to my hands or gestures, but also the journey that we can take or that we can undertake from one point to another point. So I wish this workshop a huge success, and I'm sure that this will allow us to absorb Kudiyattam as a significant way of channelizing actors' energies. Namaskar.